Hey everyone, welcome to this quick video on how to reset your password for ChatGPT. Now, at this point, there is no direct option either in the left menu that will allow you to change the password or somewhere on the top navigation bar. But don't worry, it's an indirect way but simple. So first step, let's log out from our current ChatGPT session and then log back in again. Enter your email address and then click continue. And now don't enter your password. Instead, click the forgot password link right here. Make sure that your email is selected and click continue. So once you get this confirmation, you should receive an email from OpenAI, which will contain the password reset link. So let's do that. You should have received an email from OpenAI with the reset password button. Click this button. Now you'll see the reset your password page. Enter new password and confirm it, and then click reset password. Great. If you see this page, means your password's been changed. Now we have to log in with the new password. Open the URL chat.openai.com and then click login. Then enter your email, click continue. Then enter your new password and then click continue. And if the ChatGPT servers, in this case, were experiencing exceptionally high demand, but we were lucky that we got through. All right, so that's how you change your ChatGPT password. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.